In this video, I'll be showing you that how you can easily get free ringtones for your iPhone. Make sure to watch the video till end, guys. First of all, open up any of the web browser. It can be Google Chrome or Safari. It doesn't matter. Now search for a platform called Pixabay. Now this is a platform that provides you with free audios, licensed audios that you can use. Now tap on Pixabay on the top. Now it would open. Now once you're on the home page of Pixabay, you would have to scroll it horizontally, this section, and tap on music. Now you would be able to find a lot of different music and you can play them, and then select the one that you want to download and then simply tap on the download button next to it. Like I want to download this one. Now it would start downloading. Now after that sound is downloaded, you can simply hop into the Files app and you would be able to find that audio right here. And in some cases it might be longer than 30 seconds, so you can't set audio that is more than 30 seconds as a ringtone. So for that purpose you have to go to the App Store, and then in the App Store you would have to search for audio trimmer like this. And you would have to download this one, and you would be able to trim it to 30 seconds and then use it as a ringtone on your iPhone. I hope this video helped you out. If this video did, make sure to like the video, comment down below if you got stuck anywhere. I'll definitely help you out.